Hello guys, I am Jagath and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video let us have the initial impressions of Redmi Note 9 Pro. So let's get started. Let's have the physical overview of this device. On the front side we have got the punch hole display which looks pretty cool. Then above it we have got the earpiece speaker. Next to earpiece speaker we have got a small LED notification light. On the back side we have got the quad cam setup in square shape. And below it we have got the LED flashlight. On top we have got IR blaster and secondary noise cancellation microphone. On the bottom we have got 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C port, mic and speaker. On the right side we have got the power button and volume increase and decrease button. On the left side we have got the SIM tray. Coming to the specification, the phone comes with 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display. It is powered by octa-core processor with Qualcomm Snapdragon 720 chipset. The phone comes in two RAM and ROM options. The one which I have got with me is the 4GB RAM with 64GB of internal storage. It comes with quad cam setup with 48, 8, 5 and 2 megapixel sensors. On the front side it comes with 16 megapixel sensor. Phone is boosted by 5020 mAh battery. The phone runs on Android 10. Coming to the build quality, both front and back side is made up of glass and they are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone weighs 209 grams. Build quality is top notch. Everything feels premium. As we can see, on the camera area for the top two cameras comes with this silver color outer coating. Then on the edges, as we can see, it comes with this black finish. Next, moving on to the display, the phone has got IPS LCD display. As we can see, it has got punch hole camera on the screen itself, which makes the phone to look even better. Black color finish on the edges makes the viewing experience even better. Great for watching videos. Now let's check the brightness of this device. If we keep the brightness level less than 50, it's actually very difficult to see the screen. In outdoors, it is a must to keep the phone brightness at 100%. Next, moving on to the speaker. The phone has its speaker placed on the bottom right side. Let us now check the sound quality of this device. While watching videos or while playing games in landscape mode, we might cover the speaker area. Next, moving on to the fingerprint scanner. Fingerprint scanner is now positioned on the right hand side. So now the power button acts as the fingerprint scanner. Usually if you see in Redmi phones, the fingerprint scanner would be placed on the right side. But now on Redmi Note 9 Pro, Redmi has decided to place it on the right side. Now let's test the fingerprint scanner. Fingerprint scanner is very quick. Next, moving on to the camera. On the right side, it comes with square-shaped quad camera setup. It has got 48 megapixel main sensor. So the camera bump is slightly outside. So while placing it on table or somewhere else, we should be extra careful as we might end up scratching the sensors or sometimes it may even break, I guess. This camera can shoot up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. It comes with Pro Color option where photos will be slightly better, I believe. Now moving on to the front side. On the front side it comes with 16 megapixel sensor. Using this front camera we can capture slow motion videos at 120 frames per second. Now let's take a look at the photos and videos captured using this device. Now let's take a look at the video captured using this device. Now Now let's take a look at the photos captured in low light conditions. Now let's take a look at the photos captured using the 48 megapixel sensor. Now let's just zoom in and check the quality of the photo. Let us take a look at the photo and video samples captured using the front camera. Now let's take a look at the slow motion videos captured at 960 fps. Now let's take a look at the slow motion videos captured using the front camera. Next, moving on to the gaming. I played two games. I played Call of Duty and PUBG Mobile. The gaming experience with this device was actually superb. And there was no lag at all. As of the heating issues, I felt heat on top side of the screen and on the rear side near the camera area. I played continuously for 30 minutes. It was not like extreme hot and all. It was starting to get heated up. I love the design, gameplay was superb. I actually never expected this. So I guess this is the first phone from Redmi to have slow motion recording using the front camera. That was actually superb. The only issue I would say is the brightness. Other than that, everything was superb. We're doing a separate camera review and gaming review of this device. So stay tuned for it. So that's it from this video. If you all have not yet subscribed my channel, please make sure to subscribe it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.